My name is Martin Moore, and today we're going to have a look at how to juggle with clubs. As usual, to learn to do three, we're going to start with one, a standard juggling club. This is the handle, this is the body of the club. It is made out of plastic and there are rubber stoppers on either end, and the handles tend to be wrapped in a material that makes it a little bit easier to catch when it hits your hand so you don't hurt yourself. A juggling club is designed to spin in the air. So when we throw it from one side to the other, the standard pattern involves one 360-degree spin. So this is how we will go about it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Have your elbows pointing out slightly and your club pointing across your body slightly. If we throw it here, the danger is it's in our face. If we throw it across, it passes in front of our face and also looks nicer. This way, we don't see much, but this way, we see all the movement of the club. Remember when you were first learning to juggle three balls and you were throwing to here and here. And when the ball reached here and dropped down, you threw the next ball. Same with the juggling club. You throw to here. The club is peaking about this spot right here. Have a go at throwing your juggling club to these places. Have a practice, come back, let me know how you get on. Two clubs. We are holding them roughly in the middle of the club. It's kind of where the handle meets the body of the club. That's where I have my hand. I'm not holding it at the very end because that would make it very floppy. I'm not holding it right up onto the body of the club because that would make it very difficult to spin. The natural place to hold is roughly in the middle, and personally I like to have my index finger controlling it by pointing slightly. Both clubs, exactly the same as three ball juggling. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Added advantage of juggling with clubs is they make that nice sound. So, go and have a practice with two, come back, and then we'll move on to three clubs. I'm kind of holding them like this. I get the first one out, and then it's into the repeating cascade pattern. Be careful not to get too small at the front like this. It doesn't look nice, they're coming towards your face, it's awkward. The way we dodge this is we relax our shoulders and we stick our elbows out, making the pattern bigger, wider, there's more space, and also I think it looks much nicer. The clubs are passing my face, not coming towards my face. My elbows are out, I'm relaxed, feet are shoulder width apart. This is the Basic Three Club Juggling Cascade. I hope you have a great success learning that. It's really good fun juggling with clubs. I think you'll enjoy it. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe. Please leave me a comment. Come back and watch more videos. My name is Martin Moore and this has been a trick tutorial.